Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 28th, 2020. We have here a binary Sudoku. Binary Sudoku. What kind of binary Sudoku is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's an 8 by 8 binary Sudoku, and I forget to numbering this one. This will be 1, 8, 2, 1. Alright, so it's an 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Then I need to compare. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. All right. Let me see. 3, yes, 1, 2, 3, 3 1s. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. If I place an 1 here, then we still have 3 1s in a row, in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this should be an O. Alright. Then 3. Yeah. I think I need to compare. In particular, the rows. 1, 0, 10, 0, 10. No. Yes, the third row and this row. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Need to compare again. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Yeah, need to compare again. Yeah. The second row and this row. empty box, 1 1, empty box, 0 0, 1 1, 1 1, 0 0 0 0. We need to switch these two numbers. With a O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Double check. 4 ones, yes. Here also 4 ones in the first column, so the rest are O's, double O. Here 1, there 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a few seconds with the tectonic with 3 stars. Looking forward to this. Bye bye for now.